Hello, I am trying to processing thoughts about maintenance. So I was watching Kim Howerton a couple weeks ago, and I asked her. I go on her lives, and I really enjoy her. And I was asking her, like, how does somebody who reaches their maintenance, what do they do? Her suggestion was like, if I'm losing 2 pounds a week, or 1 pound a week, it's about 250 calories. So the way it's been lately has been like 2 pounds one week, nothing the next week. So approximately, we'll just say it averages out to 1 pound a week. So when I start out, what I'm thinking about is currently, I plugged all this in. My breakfast is my protein coffee, which is 155 calories. My lunch is 6 ounces of 80/20 and 6 ounces of 93/7, which is about 687 calories. So 687 is about what I'm having for lunch. And then supper is usually 6 ounces of 80/20, which is 430 calories, and then the veggies. So what I did was I looked up the meats and kind of figured out for each type of meat what was going to equal 250 calories. So lean pork is 6 ounces. Fatty pork is 4 ounces. Now, these are not exact 250, so don't freak out on me. 80/20 is about 3 ounces, and 93% is about 6 ounces. So my thought process is I will add the extra 250-ish calories to my suppers. So I'll keep my breakfast and lunch the same for the first week, and I'll increase my meat at supper. By adding one of those things that I listed. And then, and see, after adding the 250 calories for a week or two, just kind of see where I'm at. See if I'm still losing, see if I start gaining. But it's all going to be a matter of numbers and playing with things and see how I do. Yes, I could add vegetables, I could add other things. But I need the basic, and then I go from there. So first week I'll add, one of those 4 types of meats that I just listed off, and I'll see how I do. Then if the next week, after a couple weeks, if I see that I've lost weight or I'm gaining weight, then I'll adjust. But if I'm still losing about a pound a week, so I guess it'll probably need to be about 2 or 3 weeks that I try it. But if I find that I'm still losing weight, then I will increase by another 250. So, of the meat, and I'll probably add that to my lunch or split it between lunch and supper. So I still plan on doing all my meal preps and everything the exact same way I'm doing. I'll still have meat in the morning, or my coffee in the morning, and then my meat around 11ish, and then my meat and veggies at supper. I can still add the Raos and just kind of doing whatever else I want to do, but I need that foundation and that structure for a while. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Like I said, when I reach maintenance, 7 more pounds, so I still have probably about, another 2-3 months before I get there. But when I do, that's kind of what I'm looking at, is adding about 250 calories for the first couple weeks and just see how my body reacts. And again, I'm going to add it to supper since I'm already having, looks like I've already got about 650-ish calories from my meat at lunch, and only 430 for supper. So that's why I'm going to add it to supper. And like I said, just see how my body reacts. And then if I add another 250, so let's say I find that I'm losing, I'll add that second 250 of whatever those things are, which would put me, so by adding 250, I'm around 1,500-ish now. That would put me up about 1,750. And so then if I find that I'm still losing at 1,750, then I'll go up to 2,000 calories a day of, and again, I'm just talking about my meats. I'm not talking so much about the vegetable part, because anyway, that's a different story. So that's what I'm looking at, is, like I said, when I reach maintenance, I'll go from 15 to about 1,750 for my calories. And then if I have to add more, then I'll go up to about 2,000. And that's what I'm thinking. Who knows when I get there? Who knows what'll happen? But realizing that I need a plan is way more than I've ever done in the past. So, the importance is when you get to maintenance, I still have to do all the work I've been doing and still have my foundation. And then, like I said, I can always add veggies and some of the Rouse, Rayos. Somebody sent me a post. I saw it about how to pronounce it. I just haven't gotten a chance to read your message to see how to pronounce it yet. Sorry. But anyway, so I can still add the Rouse to my routine and just take away meats. And so anyway, that's all stuff that I'll have to figure out, but I will always do the meal prep. It's going to be a part of who I am and what I have to do until someday. No, I'll always do meal prep, but as far as prepping, knowing exactly how much to eat, maybe eventually I'll be able to say, yeah, I've had enough, and I won't have to I might be able to look at it and be like, yeah, that looks like about how much I need to eat, but that's just not right now. So I will just measure and weigh and keep doing what I'm doing. But yeah, so that's my thought process about how maintenance might work. And we'll see how it happens when I really get there. Have a good day.